We glad to introduce you a new bicycle Trek FX3 2019 model year. The bike is equipped with a FX Alpha Gold aluminum frame, and reliable Ford Bontrager Nebula. A 9-speed high-quality transmission makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes set up on the bike such as V-brake. Trek FX3 2019 year is a good option for skiing on both country roads and city streets. This model is equipped with 28 inches wheels, having good tires. Bontrager H2 Hard-case Lite. This is a good option in the ratio of price-quality, drive and pleasure.